Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to install Discord on Ubuntu. Click Show Application. Click Utilities. Click Terminal. Type sudo space su. Type your root password. Copy first command from description and paste it. Type cd space download slash. Copy second command from description and paste it. Type Discord name. Package libc++ 1 is not installed error. Copy third command from description and paste it. Type sudo space apt space ---- fix -broken space install. Type Y to continue. Click Show Application. Type Discord in search bar. Type existing username and password or create new one. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.